Alright guys, I'm about to machine the very first part ever on my Sharp SV-2412. I'm super nervous, but I feel like it's only fitting that the very first part ever machined on this machine should be the Beck Tools Genesis. This is a production knife that I want to launch, and this is going to be the very first one that goes on the website, unless of course I crash. Then of course it's not going to be. But this is the Genesis product, and we're going to run it as the very first part ever ran on my mill. So let's flip you guys around. All right, let's get a little closer. Super nervous. I did a dry run without the tool in. I'm going to try to turn the rapids down. Okay. I'm kind of rambling because I don't want to hit the start button, but we got to do it. Here we go. Hand on the E-stop. I've got it. I'm going to turn it way down to make sure. Okay. The Z seems to be accurate. I don't have the coolant pump hooked up right now, so we're going to machine this without coolant. That's quick. I might break a tool here. I just realized I got a big slug in the center, and if this tool path leads to the center when it's finished and I don't go all the way through, it's going to totally snap the tool. So hopefully I didn't screw this up. But at least it's not going to crash the spindle. It'll just bust the tool off. Please go all the way through. Come on. Why'd I do that? Dang it. I could stop it. Nah, there's a chance. We're 50-50. Hey, it popped out. That's good. Program needs to get done. My wife's calling me. It's we're going out for Valentine's Day, but if I hit answer, it'll stop the recording. So I think she'll understand. We got a couple more seconds here. Finish! Come on! Here we go. All right, it did it! So, super pumped. I've run a part on the Sharp. So, gotta go, guys. See you later. Okay, I took the call real quick, but before we go, let's just check this out. Beautiful. I wish I had air over here. I don't have air, so there's some chips on there. But there it is, guys. Woo! Who's pumped? I'm really pumped, so cheese. Okay, I'm just being stupid now.